it's one of the ingredients that you have to select when creating your own custom bar at the Bar Shack. And I just wanted to sort of outline each of the ingredients and kind of let you know when it's a good option to choose this particular nut butter, and sort of what each one is all about. So we start out here with almond butters, a classic. A lot of customers use this in many different bars. This particular almond butter is roasted. We also have raw almond butter as an option. Roasted almond butter has more almond flavor. I'd say the raw almond butter is a little more neutral in terms of flavor, and there are some health benefits since it hasn't been heated. And the difference between the two is the roasted uses pasteurized California almonds, and the raw uses European unpasteurized. So you get less flavor down here, but there are definitely some health benefits as opposed to the roasted. Then we have cashew butter, which is sort of one of our favorite ingredients. It's very neutral in terms of flavor, so it's a great option to sort of allow other ingredients in the bar to really come out in terms of flavor. You're never really going to go wrong with cashew butter. It mixes, it combines well with any of the other ingredients, great with chocolate, and just about anything, and it's just not going to be overpowering. Chocolate honey almond, not a whole lot to say about this. It's delicious. If you're making sort of more of a dessert bar, it's a great way to go. Same with the chocolate hazelnut butter. The roasted hazelnuts, a combination of the hazelnut sea salt and cocoa powder is really unbelievable. You can get really creative with this one too, with some of the flavor oils, and make some amazing bars. Chocolate honey cashew, another great choice. A little bit of sea salt in there makes it another awesome option for a dessert bar. And maple pecan butter, you can create some unbelievable flavors with that. Peanut butter is highest in protein, highest in calories of all the nut butters. It's a great way to get, if you're looking for peanut butter flavor, of course, you're going to want to choose peanut butter. Even when you combine it with another nut butter, like for example cashew butter, there's still tons of peanut flavor. So if you're trying to get specific numbers on your bars, and you want a peanut flavor, but maybe you don't want the calorie content, you can definitely go with a combination of two different nut butters, and you'll still get a lot of peanut flavor because of how powerful of a flavor it has. The sunflower butter, so it's the only option here for a nut-free bar, and I guess the only downside is that it is very strong in terms of the flavor. It's very seedy, you know what a sunflower seed tastes like. It's a very strong flavor, and it can overpower some of the other ingredients in the bar. So unless you're creating a bar specifically because you're trying to make it nut-free, you may want to avoid sunflower butter. And essentially that's just sort of an outline of each of these options. You're really not going to go wrong by choosing any of them, but just wanted to sort of give you guys an idea of some of the benefits and drawbacks of each of them. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, we'd always appreciate you reach out to us in the comments section below and give us some feedback. Let us know your favorite nut butters, which ones you've had a lot of success with when creating bars in the past. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys in a future video very soon.